Have you ever felt lost navigating the SBB mobile app? Many travelers struggle with its features. Today, we will simplify that for you. By the end, you will confidently use the app for all your Swiss travels. First, download and install the SBB mobile app. It's available on Android and iOS. Open the app once it's installed. You'll see the home screen, featuring trip planning and ticket purchasing. Next, let's plan a trip. Enter your departure and destination stations. Choose your travel date and time. Tap the Go button to see options. The app shows you different routes, travel times, and prices. Now, let's buy a ticket. Select your preferred route from the list. Tap on the Buy Ticket option. Select a payment method. You can pay with a credit card or other methods. Complete your purchase and take note of your e-ticket. Let's explore another useful feature, real-time updates. From the home screen, you can check train schedules. Choose live data for updates on delays and platform changes. For additional convenience, set up a user profile. This saves your travel preferences. To set it up, tap on More and then Settings. Fill in your details and preferences. As a bonus, discover the Swiss travel system. It offers various passes for tourists. Use the app to explore pass options and find the best deal. Let's recap what we've covered. We downloaded the app, planned trips, bought tickets, and checked real-time updates. We even saved preferences and explored travel passes. Now it's your turn to explore the SBB mobile app. Apply these skills on your next Swiss journey. Embrace the ease of travel in Switzerland.